I would really encourage people, tenants, to get involved with TPAS, with different services that are available, because it's really helped my journey. Hello everyone, my name's Jo. I've been a tenant rep for Powys County Council since March 2022. Prior to that, I was a primary carer and a single parent, so I didn't work for 7 years. When I became a tenant rep, I became quite passionate in the target set by the target set by Welsh Government to reach net zero. And it was the TPAS staff actually that triggered this passion, if you like. By becoming a tenant rep, I was actually cornered by a council staff member, and I was pointing at remedial works that were required in the new build property that I had been given as a home from my council. And he explained to me what a tenant rep was, as I didn't know at the time. And from that, obviously my journey has progressed. I was working as a heating scheduler. It was very clear, and I made it very clear, that I was very passionate about doing things right by tenants to reach these targets. With renewable technologies, how are we going to go about it? How are we going to inform people why there is a need to change? From that, a position came available in April 23, I believe, as a housing and community sustainability technician. I applied for the role, I got the job. That was a secondment based on recent grant funding streams that were available in social housing. Now, just last month in October, a permanent position came available for a sustainability technical officer. I applied for the job, I got the role, and I'm now leading on the majority of grant funding streams through social housing and Powys County Council. TPAS is about tenant engagement, the tenant's voice, and it's a wonderful event. And I would really encourage people to get involved.